Hello Dave, my name is Eduardo. Just get off the phone and I'm preparing a personal video for you for this 2011 Can Am Spyder. 34,249 kilometers and the price is 11,788 plus HST and licensing. This Spyder is a very clean, fully satin certified. Comes with two front brand new tires and rear tire. It also comes with an entertainment system, which is a sound Boss. 5 speeds. You could change with the clutch. It's like a type of motorcycle, and also comes with a backrest for the passenger. Is removable. If you no carry passenger, you could take it off. And also 2 saddlebags that it's like a briefcase. You could remove easily and take it with you when you travel to the hotels or house. This Spyder is available at this time. If you want me to secure this unit, please give me a call and I'll be happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motors, thank you for contacts.